As I always say, it's a fish.
More than just a fish.
It's a fish.
Good.
That's for sure. It's a damn fish. Oh, perfect. Nope. Come on. Oh. Okay, it might be a little bit bigger. I don't know. Oh. Sir.
Ah, he just so fast.
Well, we probably deserve that a little bit. Strain him. Strain him out.
I think he's bigger.
God, he's got some fucking...
Maybe a little bit bigger.
Oh, buddy, you're doing the most. Uh-oh, we gotta do surgery?
Oh, yeah, you have a pair of pliers?
Oh, he's swallowing it as we speak.
Look,
Oh, they're right here.
Yeah.
Here, hold it open.
you got a light?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I think better is to cut it.
Yeah, I think we should just cut it. We're gonna fuck him up. Oh, no.
I thought I was trying to cut it.
Oh.
Not cut?
No, it didn't cut. Grab that razor blade.
Yeah, you can grab those.
Yeah, he choked that thing, dude. Not to cut him any worse than he's already been cut. There we go.
I did cut, okay.
There we go.
Ilya.
34 again.
Ah, he's a little bigger. Remember the other one was just a little bit under the 34?
Yeah, he's a hair.
He's
over
a quarter-inch bigger.
it. Hair over it. He ain't a bad fish. Whoa. Yeah, he ain't a bad fish at all.
Hell yeah.
That's not bad. Kick that over a little bit, that camera. There we go. Sorry about that deep hook.